Alright, let's check out what's going on with Stronger. So, on the daily, let's come over to the daily, see what we're doing. We're actually down today, which is quite disappointing. I want to show you what's going over on Bitcoin before we do jump into Stronger. And as you can see, Bitcoin is actually up on the day. In the past couple of hours or so, we are initiating a very, very small rally. At least we have broken to the upside of this bearish pennant. This should, in theory, give, the altcoin market enough room to move to the upside. And so far, out of most of the altcoins that I've covered today, they're either sitting neutral or they're very much in the positive. So it is very not very nice in my opinion that we are seeing this very mundane price action on Stronger right now. So let's talk about what's going on. In the last couple of videos I talked about these accumulation ranges, how we have an accumulation range, we come up to this upper Fibonacci band, we do it every single time, we come up to the upper Fibonacci band, get rejected, come back into the accumulation range, break down into the lower Fibonacci band, we take out the floor, start a new accumulation range, we come up to the upper Fibonacci band again, get rejected, move down into the range, break below the lower Fibonacci band in the floor, and then we move down into a new accumulation range. That has been what's been playing out so far, but we're kind of seeing like a unicorn in the data right now. We haven't done anything like this before. From a technical perspective, we're putting in higher lows, which is good in itself, and eyeballing it, it looks like we have held the 618 fib. So I mean, this is probably, we've held the 618 fib, we perfectly retested it, to be fair. So I mean, Stronger, very, very choppy right now. It looks both bullish and bearish at the same time, which is, not really a good mix that we'd want to be seeing right now. We are seeing a very nice increase in volume though. What happened the last time we saw a volume candle this big? It was a dead cat bounce, and within the next 4-hourly candle we were eating shit again. So what happened in this 4-hourly candle? It was a fake out. Next 4-hourly candle we were eating shit. Let's see what's going on over here, because we had two big candles here. Once again, fake outs before we just started eating the dirt again. So I really don't like the setup of Stronger at all. However, I have said this in my previous videos, I am happy to buy a breakout once the trend does head up in the favor of the bulls. For me, I think that trend comes in right here. Let me mark that I could potentially be a buyer at this region, and you might be thinking, why on earth would you buy up at this region at $84 when you could buy down here at $62? Well, for the exact same reason as when we were in this accumulation range at the exact same price we were now. It's actually higher. When we were in this accumulation range at $114, I was telling you, I'm looking for a break above the upper Fibonacci band at 135 until we break the upper fib. We're in a downtrend as far as I'm concerned. I said that when we were at 150. We then moved all the way down to, between your 70s and 80s. I then said when we were at 70 or $80, I would not be buying until we have a breakout above the upper rejection place where the 2.618 fib was. We didn't have a move up, we had a move down. So once again, I could have bought at $45 instead of buying at, 80, and then instead of buying at 115, or instead of buying at the mint of 150. My point is here, I'm not trying to catch the falling knife. I'm not trying to be someone's exit liquidity on Stronger. I am trying to buy once there is a confirmed uptrend. And we could potentially be seeing that right now. Like, don't get me wrong, I do normally bash Strong and Stronger because, the chart is just terrible. Like, I can't sugarcoat it. In fact, I enjoy not sugarcoating it. I mean, my channel is not about sugarcoating. It's about saying what I see in the market. So, some people might get annoyed when I bash their favorite coin. It is what it is. I mean, I'm going to say what I want, really. I don't like the setup of this chart per se, but we have come back and back tested the 618, and we are starting to move up. So at least that is one thing we can be moderately bullish about on Stronger in the short term. However, let's check out how our good old buddy Strong is doing. Oh, we're up 6% on the day. I mean, we still look terrible. We just look so bad, in my opinion. Yeah, I don't even really want to check out Strong anymore. It just seems so dead. But yeah, I mean, at least Stronger looks a little bit healthier. A break below $56 would once again send you back. I could say the 786, but we'd be back in this accumulation range again. So I would say a break below A break below $56 would bring us to our price target that we initially had at the 4.236 fib at $41. That is basically all I see. Once again, I'm not looking to become a buyer until the market shifts in an upwards trend. You can argue that we might be moving in an upwards trend. I will give it the benefit of the doubt when I see good things. We are seeing an increase in volume in the past 8 hours. I will give it that. In the shorter time frames, like what's been going on in the past 5 days, we've come up into the upper accumulation range, which once again is another good thing. And then we came down, back tested the 618 slash the previous bottom range of the previous accumulation zone. That was a mouthful. So that is another good thing. So like I said, you know, I'm not the biggest fan of Strong and Stronger. Once again, I'm never going to sugarcoat it. I'm not just going to try and sound like a likable person. I'm not here to pat you on your back about your investment and make you feel good. I'm here to say what I see in the charts. And, you know, most of the time, Stronger looks absolutely shit. And, you know, for once, we're actually putting in a few signals that we might be bullish. Once again, I can't become, you know, macro to midterm bullish on this until we break $84. Keep your eyes on $84. If we do take out $84, I can become more bullish on this. That's really all I've got for Stronger. Remember, I am just joking most of the time when I do make these videos. I'm just having fun with these videos. I mean, remember, the chart looks like dog shit. I'm not here to sugarcoat it once again. When the chart looks like shit, I will say it looks like shit. But when Stronger starts to look a little bit decent, I will give it the benefit of the doubt. So I have to give Stronger the benefit of the doubt today. We have got higher lows. We have got an increase in volume. We haven't done this before, where we've come down to a new accumulation range, broken back up above the upper fibs, retested the bottom fibs as support, slashed the 618 and started to head up. So I actually do like the setup in the short term of Stronger. However, I cannot get too bullish until we take out the upper fib. It's really that simple. Keep your eyes on $84. I will give you an update if we do take out 84. Until we take out, unless we take out $84, obviously I'll still be expecting lower price targets between $41. So I'm sitting on the sidelines. I'm waiting for a region to enter the market from a position of strength. I think, you know, if we come down to these lower fibs and have a huge bounce, that might be a position of strength. I'd still be looking for lower price targets. But if we do break above 84, we will have a confirmed trend reversal. We will be back above the previous rejection points. We'll be back above multiple rejection points. So I feel safe entering the market at $84. Once again, you know, this is just my opinion. None of it is financial advice. That's all I've got for you today. Once again, cowboy out, not financial advice. And yeah, peace.